back to Mo Dodge, Mo Mars, man. You know what it is. Another modification for the Scat Pack. So, just so you guys know, I'm installing the flip and go plate, right? Now, I got this particular brand from eBay. It's around 70 bucks. Now, if you've already got the blackout plate, i.e. this bad boy right here, okay, and it comes with an AB module, if you already got it set up, you don't need the components that this particular flip out plate comes with, and I'll show you in just a second. So this particular brand comes with all the setup components that your flip up plate or your blackout plate comes with. I'm not going to be using any of these components. It's nicely packaged. It has its own remote. But at this time, all I need to do right now is take this bad boy right here, level it up, tap it into the bumper, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so all this is a bypass that I'm creating for the unit I already have in place. So I have an AB for my blackout plate. The wiring is already done for the front plate. So I'm just going to use the wiring. I'm just going to rewire this bad boy motorized for the front plate. Stay tuned. We'll see how it goes. For you Dodge enthusiasts who hate putting holes in your bumper, right? Like I said, on this AB unit for the blackout plate, I've already got it pre-wired. Let me show you right now. All I have to do is do a quick splice. Let me show you. All right, so this is already pre-wired for my front plate. I had one, I gave it away because I really didn't like it installed. I had it on my RT at one time, but all I'm doing is going to splice this bad boy and connect it to the unit that it comes with, which is this bad boy right here. I already pre-sliced it, spliced it, so I'm gonna follow through, connect it, and let's test it out, see how it goes. All right, guys, so it's a finished wrap. As you can see, it's on there. Let's see if it works. Let's see. There it is. All right, as you can see, guys, clear. Stay tuned. It's a wrap. Well, let me get an idea of what the AB unit I'm talking about looks like. So this is the AB unit. You see it all the time on Amazon or eBay. Okay. And I use A for my back blackout plate. As you can see, there it is. All right. Stay tuned, guys. So it's done. You see, there's no plate in front. It's hidden. But I do want to show you something for those with splitters and a Dodge. You will get that little exposure right there. To me, it looks like an extra vent, but you really can't notice it. This is what I used before. If you don't want to drill holes in your bumper, guys, it's like 10 bucks on eBay. You just drill that underneath there, or like that, and you put your plate on it because it's tacky. Get rid of that because you don't need it. I don't like it. Finished results. Here's a key fob for the blackout plate. It's the old school joint. Whatever, still works. I need to change batteries though. This is for, I use my A button for the rear because that's most important, especially at a car meet. I use my B button. There you go. You guys see it. And that's it. So that'll save me 70 bucks next time I go to Ocean City. They always try to get me for front license plate, even though there's a bunch of old school cars with no plates. They always pick out the Chargers because they stand out more, a lot more sportier. Even the vets, all the sports cars they're gonna, pick out. But that's it. I hope you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this little modification. The next modification I'm gonna do is a J Green tune. You guys heard about it. So I already have the Diablo tuner. I already have the swapped out PCM. Now it's time to tune up the engine and the transmission on this bad boy. Hey, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Stay tuned.